This 2025 Jayco Eagle SLE 24MLE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 3 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Eagle SLE 24MLE is 7,967 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.